eating ice cream, I want ice cream. Don't give me no substitutions, no sugar-free ice cream. I've tried them all. What are we doing today?
Ice cream.
Homemade ice cream. Super.
Do we put them in here?
Yes, just a second. Super easy, 2 ingredient ice cream recipe. And then whatever toppings you want to add or mix it. Okay, we have a special guest, Miraculous Mina. She's also a YouTuber, right?
These are my favorite cookies. I'm gonna eat this. One.
Okay, hold on. We are making vanilla ice cream.
Yeah, but with cookies inside.
And we are going to add Ovomaltina cookies.
We're gonna have Ovomaltina cookies and
Ovomaltina cookies. But you can add absolutely whatever you want to mix in. So basically what I'm showing today is how to make the base of a very, very easy ice cream. Woohoo! So you don't have to rush in the middle of the night because you have some cravings. You make homemade ice cream. Also, the cool thing about making homemade ice cream is that you know what ingredients you're using. Can we start?
Yes.
What is this?
Heavy whipping cream.
We're gonna use 2 cups of heavy cream. We're just gonna whip it. We're gonna whip it, and then I have in a jar condensed milk. Usually, you're gonna use somewhere around 14 ounces of condensed milk. So let's start by whipping 2 cups of heavy cream. We need a bowl. I'm really excited because I've been craving something sweet, and I'm in the middle of a quarantine. I'm sure you're in the middle of a quarantine too. And running to the supermarket or ordering online, it has become an ordeal. So what a better.
And you're excited to cook with a special guest.
Yes, I love. You know what we're gonna do? I think we're gonna bring the camera closer in a little bit. All right, 2 cups of
Heavy whipped cream.
whipped cream.
Can I
go.
put it?
All right, you guys go.
Put it in?
Yeah,
Can I put it
yes, you can put it in. 1. A little bit to the top. Top it. Okay, that's good. Audrey, you pour it. This is teamwork right here. Okay. Keep going. That's it. Good job. Okay, I'm gonna whip this guy.
I'll whip it. Can I whip it?
Yes, you can.
Yes, I'm ready to whip it.
You can add whatever mixing, add-ons, toppings, what you can go crazy. We just like.
I want to put in something.
Well, we're gonna put the cookies in. We're gonna put cookies.
Can I have a cookie?
You might have a cookie. I don't know yet. Also, make sure you have an airtight container to put in the freezer, that it's freezer friendly. I just have I'm gonna show you what I'm putting into this because I don't have no fancy ice cream container. I have this guy and it works perfect. All right, let's go to the whipping station.
Yes.
Come with me. It's gonna be a little bit noisy.
I need to do it.
You see how it's forming soft peaks? We can give it a little bit extra bump, but not too much, otherwise it's going to turn into butter. There we go. Beautiful peaks. The condensed milk is a little bit thick. What we're going to do is we're going to add a little bit of whipped cream in it and then stir it in.
I don't want to try it.
Mm-hmm.
Does the ice cream hit there?
A can of condensed milk should do. I'm using a little bit less. Audrey. Thank you. I'm using a little bit less because I don't like it too sweet. We're also going to add a little bit of vanilla essence. You can make chocolate ice cream. Okay, and now gently we're gonna put it in here. Good job. Like I was saying, you can make, peaches and cream, strawberries and cream, whatever.
Anything is cream.
You can go wild, honestly. I'm gonna gently fold. Very gently. And then you put in, you mix your add-ons. And in the freezer goes. Good job. I'm gonna put in a few cookies. Not too many.
Yeah.
We don't want to make it too cookie. Alright, one for you. You guys earned it. You can also remove the interior of the cookie and blend it in with the cream and then add the cookie, the cracker to it. You can do whatever you want. That's the cool thing about it. You can make a more fit version, adding walnuts, and if you can find like a sugar-free condensed milk, or you can do it your own. I just wanted, like, when I am eating ice cream, I want ice cream. Don't give me no substitutions, no sugar-free ice cream. I've tried them all. There's nothing out there on the market that I will go.
When I eat an ice cream, I want more. She really wants real ice cream.
Real ice cream. Because when we're eating ice cream. Yeah. All right. And now we are going to gently fold those guys. My sister is a chef, so I hope she doesn't see this video because it's not elegant or chef-worthy. Now, I'm gonna bring the camera over again. Excuse those feet. Excuse those feet. I'm gonna gently fold our cookies into the cream. We're gonna put it in our container and put it in the freezer overnight.
We'll show you at the next day.
Yeah, we'll take the next day we'll...
This will take a short break. Dun 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 dun. You really didn't try these cookies. They're from Switzerland.
Yeah, we got them this in Switzerland. But you can grab any cookie you have in hand.
Crackers, anything.
Graham crackers will be great.
Oh, cookie crackers. A birthday cake crackers.
One more, just to get the just a little crumble here. You can also put almonds, some praline, whatever you want, and like this. You're gonna cover it with an airtight lid and into the freezer, my friends. End result: 24 hours in the freezer and about to get in my belly. Cheers.